This house used to be a bach in the village of Paekākāriki on the Kapiti coast, north of Wellington. This turn-of-the-century modest seaside bach was built amongst a generous tropical garden. Our clients came to us wanting a comfortable house, light and warm, with a special attention to exterior spaces. We worked on connecting the house to the garden and to the wider landscape, and on a major interior upgrade orientating living areas to the sun aspect. The outdoor pergola space provides a nicely detailed integrated storage unit, as well as some much-needed shade during the summer months to lounge while admiring the surrounding subtropical landscape. Our clients wanted to retain the Paekākāriki bach feel and reflect the colorful and easygoing lifestyle still present in the iconic seaside village. To do this, we chose a palette of raw materials with splashes of playful, vibrant color. The ease of an indoor-outdoor flow and the shadowed patterns of the slatted timber bulkheads that mingle with the foliage all contribute to the sense of this being a relaxed beach house. Despite being fully transformed, the house retains its original feel of being a modest bach. It's a place our clients love and feel comfortable in. It's playful, relaxed, and full of character.